Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to biology session. Today's topic is observation of fungi. Fungi is nothing but it is a microorganism. Microorganisms are of 5 types or more, like fungi, bacteria, algae, protozoans, microarthropods, these all things. So today our topic is fungi. So let us go with the definition of fungi, children. So any of a wide variety of organisms that reproduce by spores, including the mushrooms, molds and yeast and mildews. So this fungi reproduces through spores. So spore will go and fall on something else. Again it will develop a hyphae. So mildews is nothing but it is also a powdery fungi. The spores of most fungi grow a network of slender tubes called hyphae that spreads into and feed of dead organic matter or living organisms. So this fungi reproduce through spores. It forms a hyphae. So children, before starting any experiment, we have to know that we have to start the laboratory activity with 5 headings: aim, apparatus, procedure, observation and result. Apparatus can also be called as materials required. Result can also be called as conclusion. You have to use only one word. It's your wish. So aim, children, what is the aim? Observation of fungi. What are the materials required for this? Rotten part of vegetables, black spoiled part of bread or coconut, slide, cover slip, filter paper and microscope for the final observation. Coming to the pictures of rotten vegetables, I would like to show children. See, rotten vegetables are nothing but spoiled vegetables. And this is a spoiled coconut. From here we are going to take 1 or 2 drops or a little specimen from this, and we are going to observe in under the microscope. So I'll say you how to observe it. Coming to the procedure, children. So when you're going to observe fungi from coconut or spoiled vegetable or spoiled bread, we have to take a slide. See, in first picture, are you able to see a slide? Yes. On that, in the second picture, how you kept the specimen very little, very 1 or 2 drops or something like that, with a spatula or with a needle, take little part of the spoiled coconut or vegetable, not both, only one variety. Okay, take it and keep it on a slide. If you want to do another variety like vegetable, spoiled vegetable, you take another slide for that. Don't mix all the spoiled things at a time. For coconut, you take one slide. For vegetables, you take another slide. Keep that on a slide. Then after that, keep a cover slip on the slide on it. So before keeping a cover slip, you also keep 1 drop of water on the specimen and keep the cover slip. That's it. Again, I am going to repeat. Take a slide. With the help of a needle, put a spoiled coconut on the slide. Keep 1 drop of water on that. Keep a cover slip. The why we are using cover slip? In order to avoid air bubbles. And after keeping the extra amount of water which is coming out of the slide, you clean it with a filter paper, so that while observing it under the microscope, it will be convenient for you. Okay, in this way you have to do the preparation of the slide, and you have to observe under the microscope. See, this is the microscope. See, if you see, you have a stage of the microscope. In the middle you have a stage. When you are seeing from here, you have a stage here. Just observe the stage. There we have to keep the slide. So you are also seeing slide there. So in this way we have to observe the organisms which are present on the slide. So this is the procedure. Coming to the observation part, children, when we are observing fungi, we would be able to see Aspergillus, it is also fungi, Penicillium, it is fungi, and Rhizopus, which forms on a bread, spoiled bread. The last diagram which you are seeing is a bread, and these are the spores which you see. So fungi reproduces through spores. I said all the spores go and fall somewhere, and again it will develop into a hyphae, then again it will spread. So in this way it forms. That is the reason we say we always have to cover the food items, because if the spores come and fall on the food items, it gets spoiled easily. So we have to always close the lids of the food items which we are going to eat. So this is the observation, children, and final step is the result. So the organisms, microorganisms which are present on rotten vegetables, spoiled bread, spoiled coconut are nothing but fungi. We can also observe fungi in the form of mushroom, that is also a type of mushroom. So Aspergillus penicillium, we can't see it directly with our naked eye. We require microscope for that. But when we are seeing mushrooms and all, we don't require microscope. It is easily visible to our eye. So in this way. So I hope you all understood this experiment observation of fungi. Yes. Now it's a time for class task, children. I've given you 4 questions. First question is define fungi. Second one, name some of the organisms which comes under fungi. How do fungi reproduce? Means reproduction is nothing but giving rise to a new ones, young ones, offsprings. How it will do, how it multiplies, how it reproduces. Fourth question is, how can you eradicate the growth of fungi? How can you stop the growth of fungi? Write your own views, no problem. Yes. So thank you for hearing this. Complete your class task as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.